Hey, welcome back, everyone. It is time for another red hot cover call video. Well, hey, look, I'm fired up. I'm in front of the mic for the first time. Yeah, I'm in front of the camera, and 2023, we're going to be in front of the camera all the time. So I want you to stick around, okay? No more just me behind the camera, never seeing who this guy is, right? I'm a real alive person, been trading covered calls and cash secure puts for the past 6 years, have generated over $450,000 cash on the table, paying the bills, living the good life. What I do is I come here, show you timely and relevant covered call trades to try to up your game. If you watch me execute on a trade, or we talk about a trade, and you're able to get a little bit of information to help you up your game, that's why we're here, okay? I absolutely love teaching, educating, and telling my story. Now, in 2023, we're going to do that. We're going to do that much more for the members. Yeah, I have a membership, and I want you to be a part of it. I want you to consider it, because these are the kind of videos I do all the time for the members. We have Money Monday, and we have Covered Call, Dividend Capture Thursday coming. And on top of all of that, you have access to the upgraded CTP dashboard, for which every single week I'm going to dive in there, pick one, we're going to talk about it, and do a video. And of course, you see all of my trades, right? The trade we talk about today, my members already saw the trade. They know why I'm in the trade. But I'll tell you what, we talk about when I get in trades, when I get out of trades, and that is the real bonus of the membership, because you actively see a successful trader do his thing, okay? Every member sees all of my trades in and out. They have access to my all of my trades, and they get access to me. You have a question, you have a trade you're looking at, you want somebody to look over your shoulders. Hey, look, you have access to me. You email me, and look, I'll tell you what John would do, okay? Seeing the world through my eyes. So look, if you're into cash flow, if you need a cash flow plan in retirement, this is the channel for you. Today's video is I'm going to use my 401k to try to generate $18,000 a month. Yeah, that's right. When I retired 30 days ago, I couldn't touch my 401k. Well, my 401k is in a company managed 401k, so I couldn't write covered calls. Well, now, having access to my 401k, I can write covered calls and sell cash secure puts. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to do various challenges over the year, right? With the members, I'm going to show them how I trade my 401k. We're going to use covered calls and cash secure puts. We're going to try to generate $18,000 a month. I know that sounds crazy, but the trade I'm going to show you today is a real trade that I did, but it's my first hypothetical paper trade for my 401k. Okay, I would have done this December 13th had I had access to my 401k. But we're going to talk about it. We're going to break it down, because this is what members get. Okay, they're going to see me work a large 401k, bringing in some $15,000 to $18,000 a month. That's right, $15,000 to $18,000 a month. And we're bringing back the $1,000 weekly challenge, where I use one stock, try to generate $1,000 a week. Did I say $1,000 a month? $1,000 a week, okay? Whether we use the cash secure put or the covered call, I'll tell you what, I want to up your game, and this is how we do it, okay? So if you've never been to my channel and you like what you hear today, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's here, it's free. I come back every week, give you timely and relevant cover call trades that I do, real money in the game, okay? These are not, except for today, these are not hypothetical trades. I always show you my real trades, okay? And hey, while you're here, there's a great opportunity. Bang that like button. It lets me know you like what I'm doing. Okay, so let's jump right into the trade. This is the trade I did for my taxable selling premium portfolio. It was a cash secure put on Apple. And I'll tell you what, I believed Apple was trading in such a range we could take advantage of its recent sell-off, as you can see here. I'm going to show you on the chart a little more in depth as to what I was thinking. But this is what I sent to the members. On this day, December 20th, I noticed something with Apple and the way it was trading. Now, for me at the time, I'm thinking, hey, it was already getting ripped from its recent highs. And I'll tell you what, it had leveled off. And then with the rest of the market, it peeled back. That was an opportunity to get involved. Now, I wanted to buy 100 shares at around 130, but I decided to go with the cash secure put instead. Okay, this is what I said to the members. I decided with Apple stock trading near its support line, I figured there's a good time to take action. Instead of buying shares and writing a covered call, I decided to use the cash, okay, $13,000, put it up to the greater stock market and say, look, I'm going to do a cash secure put. If you want to assign me your shares at 130, okay, I'll let you do that. I'll give you 30 days to make that decision. But here's the deal. You need to pay me, right? Because I'm setting that cash to the side. I'm giving you the right, but not the obligation to stick me with your shares at 130. You're going to pay me. And Apple was paying $3.90 on this day. So I decided to do the 30-day trade. You can see it's a 30-day window. And this was going to be the trade. This would have been the very first trade I would have done using my 401k. Now, as I explained in the video, did not have access on December 20th. Okay, I had to wait 30 days. Fast forward, it's now 30 days. And I've started the process of moving my 401k from a company-run 401k, for which I don't have access to writing covered calls, to now my own self-managed IRA, and I have the ability to write covered calls and sell cash secure puts. Okay, so that is the plan. So this would have been my very first trade. So now remember, I'm going to divide my 401k up in two parts. One part, I'm going to do the $1,000 weekly challenge. I'm going to pick a stock. The idea is I'm going to write a covered call or sell a cash secure put. We're going to try to generate $1,000 a week. The other portion I'm going to use on one stock, a stock like Apple, right? Bristol Myers, 3M, Merck. We're going to use one stock. We're going to write a conservative covered call or cash secure put. We're going to use our skill and we're going to generate monthly income. We're going to navigate that portfolio to generate the kind of cash flow we would love to have in retirement. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do in 2023. Now, I'm going to show you here in the charts what I was thinking with Apple and why I picked Apple. But the bigger picture in 2023 is every single month I'm going to try to generate $15,000 to $18,000 with my 401k. And yes, if some of you out there are thinking, man, this is too good to be true, right? This cannot be true. Well, look, you just haven't been watching. Okay, over the past 5-6 years, I have generated $452,000 cash on the table, paying bills, living a good life, using covered calls, cash secure puts. This is not hocus pocus or snake oil. Selling premium is the second longest and oldest investment strategy on Wall Street. That's what we do here. We generate near-term covered call, cash secure put premiums, which hits our account via cash, and we could spend it. Okay, we just have to play the trade out. So that's where our skill gets involved. And look, if you do this 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, you won't need anybody on YouTube. But hey, being a part of my membership, though, really gives you a peek over an active, successful trader's shoulder. And I'll tell you what, you get ideas. That Money Monday, I'm going to love it in 2023. Every single Monday coming back for the members, showing them a trade I'm watching. We're going to break it down. And I'll tell you what, might even put skin in the game. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at FinZen here. Okay, this is the reason I got involved with this trade. Notice Apple's resistance lines and notice its support line. Now, it has not traded down here for over a year. And again, this is Apple. So Apple is going to ebb and flow with the markets. And of course, it's a tech company, so it's going to peel off tremendously when Wall Street takes the fluff out of the market. Okay? All high tides rise all boats. Well, it works in the inverse too, and Apple got caught in the rip coil here as it fell all the way down to 130. Okay? This hasn't traded there for a year. And every time it touches that support line, I'm thinking it bounces. And sure enough, look what it does. Every single time it touches that support line, it bounces. Now, remember, this is a 30-day window. So all I care about is the next 30 days. And if you look at the way this thing trades, when it bounces off the support line, the 30 days is a good window here. Notice it hits the support, bounces off. Our cash secure put money gets put back into our account. We then keep the premiums. We look to do it again. Now, look, here's the deal. If I get stuck with Apple at 130, man, this thing hasn't traded since last year at 130. To me, there's more risk not being in the stock market than being in the stock market. But I believe right now, Wall Street believes the Fed is going to take care of the stock market. They're going to do what they have to do. The shock and all is over with regards to the markets falling. And I'll tell you what, now we're starting to move high. All you have to do is look at 3M. Look at 3M's trading range, and you could really see how Wall Street is absolutely moving these stocks higher. 3M is probably one of the most susceptible stocks when it comes to inflation. Everything about their business has to do with inflation. And I'll tell you what, they're moving it higher. 3M just had a nice 9% move. I sent that email to the members too, talking about how we're going to trade that 9% move and writing a covered call as 3M gets near its X date. Fat, juicy dividend. We want to trade that. And that's happening the first 2 weeks of February. Now, Apple, yeah, it is a conservative trade, right? But when you're going to use your 401k, when you're going to use your large 401k to make trades, I'll tell you what, it's a great opportunity to use a great company, has a track record. Wall Street loves it. And tell you what, at the end of the day, this is what I'm going to do. I have put in the time, the work, the experience, the trades, and to be honest with you, I'm ready. Whether I'm spinning 15 small trades or one very large trade does not matter to me. The fundamentals and the mechanics are entirely the same, okay? I've been trading 15 stocks in 2022. Now we're just going to do one stock in my 401k. I think you want to stick around, if anything, for the intrigue of how I wheel and deal that portfolio in 2023, trying to knock down $15,000 to $18,000 a month. So look, if you go to cptdashboard.com, click upgraded dashboard, get your one free month, join the membership, because I'll tell you what, in 2023, we're doing this kind of content damn near every day. I'm in retirement, right? I am literally in retirement now, so I need to make this work. cptdashboard.com, click upgraded dashboard, get your one free month. Would love to welcome you aboard. Hey, look, 2023 is going to be great. We're going to talk about all the trades that I'm doing. I want you to stick around. I'm going to do more videos for the channel, and we're going to get in front of the camera more often. In fact, this coming Wednesday, we're going to talk about a trade where I'm seriously under my stock purchase price. It's 3M. I'm in at 160, and I'll tell you what, the stock's trading at 130, but I need to make cover call income with that stock. So here's the deal. We got to put it in the game. Okay, I'm going to show you, as I showed the members, exactly how I pick my strike price. Okay, because I don't want my shares taken away. And if this stock market is moving higher, my strike price could be challenged. Okay, you have to know this, you have to learn this, and you came to the right place. Hey, look, if you like my videos, I want you to subscribe to the channel. I come back every week and bang that like button. It lets me know you like what I'm doing. Till next time. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy. Most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.